Afghanistan food truck. Let's go and see what they have. You guys eat here?
When I get money, I always come here.
When you get money, right?
Yes.
When you don't have money, you don't.
Every month.
Every month.
Every week.
Every day.
Which one is good? Which one should I
I think
get?
the best is combo.
Combo.
Yeah.
Is it chicken?
Chicken and lamb. Chicken. Nummer 100. Hej då, ha det så bra. Nummer 2.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you. Thanks. Here we got Afghanistan food from food truck, and I paid $10. We'll see how is the food taste like. It is lamb, and it cost me $10 even. No drink. There is rice, There is rice, there is salad, there is meat, is lamb. I'm gonna taste it. We'll see. I told him to make it spicy. It's really good. Oh my God. Something smells really good. I don't know. What is that? It is veggie. Something smells really, really good. Please subscribe. Because I want to quit my job. In every video I am telling you, I want to quit my job. That yogurt is so delicious. Honestly, this is my second time I have an Afghani food. I had Afghani food in Bellevue, Washington State. It wasn't so great, but this is the best. The lamb is so tender. Best. I don't even need a napkin this time. I do have a napkin. I honestly can eat these every day. I am very fast eater. I'll show you where I am sitting. It looked like somebody getting married. I'm not sure why they honking. Mm. Somebody is getting married because you see people dressing up. Look like there is people from Middle East. So when they get married, they honking on their car. That means they are happy. I'm almost done. And I am sitting by very, very luxe restaurant and very expensive. Maybe I have money, I go there and eat there. But now I'm eating from food truck because I'm poor. That was good. Oh my God, that yogurt is so yummy. Thank you so much. I love you all. And I will continue making video. Bye bye.